Hey Prince and Tiger, so we have the same guided notes as yesterday. We're going to quickly go through the inverse of operations and then get started. So what is the inverse of addition? The inverse of addition is subtraction. What is the inverse of subtraction? The inverse of subtraction is addition. What is the inverse of multiplication? Division. What is the inverse of division? How can we undo division? Multiplication. Okay, so for our guided notes, you can solve one-step equations by using inverse operations. All right, so the first three problems we're going to do. V minus 10 equals negative 9. What operation are we doing? Subtraction. So how can we undo that subtraction to get V by itself? We can add 10. Do I just add it on this side of the equation? No, I need to add it on both sides. So this cancels out, so I have minus 10 plus 10 becomes 0. So I've got V by itself, and it equals negative 9 plus 10. Use a calculator, and it'll give you 1. Next one is V minus 10 equals negative 3. What do I need to do to get V by itself here? Again, I need to add 10. Do I just do it on the one side? No, I do it on both. So now this cancels out and becomes 0. I end up with V equals, use a calculator, negative 3 plus 10 equals 7. Third one, x minus 3 equals 4. How can I get x by itself? Here we have subtraction, so what's the opposite of subtraction? Addition. So I can do plus 3 on both sides. This cancels out and becomes 0, and I end up with x equals 4 plus 3. What's 4 plus 3? 7. All right, for these next three, what operation is this when it's in fraction form? Division. So how can I undo the divided by 5? I can multiply by 5 on both sides. If I divide by 5 and then multiply by 5, they undo each other, so I end up with just x. X equals what? 10. Here, I have my k, but it's on the opposite side of the equation. It's right here. How can I get that k by itself? I'm multiplying k by negative 11, so I need to divide k by negative 11, which means that I also need to divide the other side of the equation by negative 11. 22 divided by negative 11, use a calculator. Negative 2 equals, these two cancel out, so k is by itself. Now I have negative 3m equals negative 377. I have multiplication here, so to get m by itself, I need to undo that multiplication. So I need to divide. On your calculator, divide these two numbers, negative 377 divided by negative 3, and I'll end up with m equals what? Finish that question up by yourself. Good luck. Finish up the rest of the page as well as the rest of the problems. And then when you are done, go on to the back side. On the back side, you are doing practice with perfect squares and square roots. Good luck.